Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change scroll bar width, background color, hover color of scroll bar in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. Now paste and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see body and then you see width 8px, so you can add number according to your requirement. Now you see 8px width and then you see background color, so you can add background color according to your requirement, and then you see border radius 10px. Now you see 10px border radius and then you see border 0px solid, and then you see hover background color, so you can add hover background color for scroll bar according to your requirement. Now we hover on it. Now you see color change, so you can add color scheme for scroll bar in WordPress. Now click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page, refresh the page. Now you see scroll bar width, background color, hover color change. When you hover on it, you see color scheme change. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.